Alright guys, good morning. So today I didn't plan actually to do anything or make a fishing trip or plan what I want to do today, but I decided to wake up a little bit late. Normally I woke up like 4:30 to go fishing. The best time to get a bite or actual fish is very early in the morning. It's like 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. But today I decided to wake up a little bit late and see if still can get any action. So I already say I didn't have any plan for the day, but I decided to rig my things, put all my gear in the car and go fish. So I think that's will be the plan. Try to catch a fish today, and yeah, it's a very nice day. A little bit windy, the wind is blowing west, so hopefully we can get a action for you guys. So let's walk a little bit, go to the spot. So see you guys over there. Alright, we're going to begin with this lure, Rapala, and the sea conditions seem a little bit good, but the wind just woke up, I think. So let's see if we can catch a fish over here. Oh, I have a wind knot. Shit. Oh yeah. We have to go walk the whole way back to make a new line. Alright, we are back, we worked up, we changed the lure, and I want only one fish, guys. I need one fish, land one fish, and that's it. I don't ask a lot. I need one fish to make you happy today. Alright, I saw a freaking fish. Saw something big. I think it's a freaking snook. Not sure. Saw something come up in the water. It's feeding over there. There are some glass nets. Oh, over there are some action. I see action. That's a good sign. When you're seeing action, that is a good sign. Get them further here. Also, hey, you got the bite. Just got the bite. Ooh, they falling. Let's go. Just yeah. Come. Yeah. No, oh shit. I have no idea what it is. Okay. Good sign, guys. Good sign. That's a good sign. Bite. Come. They hit it. They are hit it, but not hard enough to hook it. Come on. Let's go. Let's see if this now is a chance. Ooh, again. So we are getting good signs. Fish are biting. That's a good thing. sure get them. So after getting those 3 action, they are gone. So I missed my chance. I lost my chance actually. But yeah, that's fishing. Sometimes you get the chance, sometimes you don't get the chance. And when you get it, you lose it. Fish win again. Ooh, I see them. I already know what kind of fish they are. They are no snook. They are not snook. They are a barjack. I saw them. Oh, it's falling. It's falling. It did fall, but he's stuck. I already saw him. Oh, a fish that I never caught yet is still on my bucket list. Hopefully we can catch one today, guys. Oh yeah. I already saw the color of the fish, and I noticed quickly. I noticed that it is a barjack, not a snook, also not a scarpin, but a barjack. A delicious fish to eat, and believe me, they also give you a nice fight. Give you a nice fight for sure. They are feeding right now on the glass minnow. I know you can also catch them with lure, that's for sure. He did follow the lure, but you can see, see how many glass minnows, bait going crazy though. So they are fish. There are going to be some big fish in here. I know there are a difficult fish to catch. Not only on lure, but also with bait. Sometimes they are very difficult to catch. Not even you have live sardine. You have to have the right setup for them, because if you have a freaking heavy setup, they will notice that and they will not bite your live sardine. That is something I learned from GB. It's been a while I fished with him, but when I went with him and we used some live sardine, he hooked up too. I'm using a little too big setup, and yeah, they didn't bite my sardine, but they bite his sardine because he had the right setup. What I mean with the right setup, the leader. If you have like 30-pound mono or fluoro, it's already too big for them. They will see it. So you have to use like 50-pound or 10-pound to catch a barjack. So yeah, we are back in the car. We're gonna change the spot. Ooh, what a freaking morning, guys. So many bites and I couldn't hook them. They give me a bite, but they don't give a hard bite. Like they want to smash it for me. They are not so hungry for the lure, but they follow it until the end of the shadow, and they go back. And I try my best to hook at least one barjack or at least one needlefish. I had the chance like more than 10 times, seeing fish going crazy on the water, seeing action, everything, but the hookup, the length, didn't happen. So we're going to try another spot right now. I'm still positive we're going to hook up a fish. We have no idea what kind of fish, but I have no idea where we're going, but I'm going to see which spot will be perfect, because we only have like 2 hours to fish, still 1 hour and a half actually to fish. So let's see if we can make something happen. Hopefully, bring across. Let me see if we can make something happen with this jig. Thing is, it's a small jig. Those needlefish, those teeth is very sharp. Hopefully, we don't get snapped. Only jig I have. Yep, we got it. Got it. Fish on. We got the fish, guys. We got the fish. Finally, he dropped it. Or he snapped me. One of those two. Hopefully we got our jig. Yeah, we got our jig. It's a good one. Finally, we got a bite. Those fish sometimes it's not easy. Alright. It's freaking windy. I thought we lost it, but we still have our jig. Okay, nice. Yes, over there. He's falling. He stopped. He stopped. Why those fish stop? They don't keep falling until the end. I think they know if they follow it, something's going to happen. Ooh. Got a hit again. It's falling again. It's falling again. It's falling. It's falling. There are more than one. So that's a good sign. So we have a chance to catch one, at least one, and land it. Yeah, one here. Come, they are coming. They're falling. Yeah, shit. I having fun, guys. I having fun with this needlefish. I have fun. I'm getting bites. That's a good thing. They fall again. I thought they were bigger, but they are a good size to give you a nice bite. You will find these needlefish over here. Alright. Yeah, got it. He dropped it. Yeah, I got a fish. He dropped again. Damn. They drop. They are like a freaking torpedo. When they jump, they do everything to drop the freaking jig. That's for sure. They fight for their life. Alright guys, we are at the last spot. I'm going to try for the day. We are back with a white lure and see if we can make something out of here. This is a gray spot fish. Sometimes baits where they come in, where they come closer shore, they come on this spot. But in the morning, they will be caught by some fishermen. And yeah, it's going to be difficult to get some big fish come very close to shore because all the bait will be caught. And now, the spot was a little bit more bigger. Actually, the spot is big, the fish, but they put in buoy over there, they put in buoy over here. Every day the fishing spots are getting smaller for the fishermen here in Aruba. This is a big problem because fishing is our culture, and every day they are making our culture smaller and smaller and smaller. That is a freaking bad thing. And if things keep going like this, who knows, fishing will be out of the book of our culture. Hopefully not, but hopefully they realize that what they are doing with fishing is very bad. Hopefully one day they realize that, and sooner, because things cannot stay like that, guys. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the fishing trip. We got a lot of action, we got a lot of bite, but I couldn't hook up a fish and also couldn't land a fish. We had a great time. It's a beautiful day in Aruba. It's Saturday morning, and the thing is that this make me crazy or make me angry is people doing this to our culture, our fishing. They still putting a lot of buoy, making the spot smaller for us to fish, and that makes me angry, guys. I try my best to make it positive motivation for young kids to go fish, and yeah, I cannot do anything about that. This government, I think, has to do something about it. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, if you enjoyed this video, enjoy the beautiful day in Aruba, enjoy the ash we got. We didn't land any fish, but I had a great time. Hopefully you guys also had a great time. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also comment something below what you think about the people that are doing not the right thing about fishing. Comment below what you think, and also if you didn't subscribe yet, go subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you for your support, thank you for watching, and as always guys, expect the unexpected fish on. See you guys next time. Peace out.